Hi friends, welcome to Cooking Stories. So today we will prepare Kerala style tuna fish curry. So let's get started. For marination, we have taken half kg of tuna fish, added half teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon salt. We will mix it nicely and keep it aside for 30 minutes. For this, we will take 4 tablespoons of coconut oil, heat it in a non-stick pan or a clay pot. We are using clay pot since it's a traditional way of preparing fish curry. Add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon methi seeds and few curry leaves. Now we will saute it till mustard seeds start to crackle. Now we will add around 1 tablespoon garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon ginger and 2 green chillies split into 2 halves. Now saute this mixture till our garlic turns light brown in color. Now we will add around 6 pearl onions, also called as Sambar onions, cut into small pieces. Saute this till the onions are soft and starts to turn brown. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 3 tablespoons of Kashmiri chilli powder, 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder and saute it nicely for few seconds. Add half teaspoon methi seeds powder and mix it well. We will add around half cup of tamarind water. For this, we soaked around 1 lemon-sized tamarind in half cup of water for 5 minutes and then squeezed the tamarind to extract juice from it. Add 2 tomatoes cut into small pieces. Around 1 teaspoon salt and 2.5 cup of water. Add water in portions as per your desired consistency. Add few curry leaves and bring it to a boil. Once our curry is boiled, we will add our marinated fish into it. Give it a nice stir. Now we will close the lid and let it cook on a medium flame for about 15 minutes. In between, check for your fish, and this moment you can taste the gravy, and if you feel salt is less, you can add it as per your taste. It's been 15 minutes and our fish is completely cooked. Now we will add few curry leaves and at the end add around half teaspoon of coconut oil to get that nice coconut flavor. So next time you buy tuna fish, do try this amazing recipe. You will definitely like it.